Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about featuring another YouTuber's channel on your YouTube channel page. It may also be another channel that you own, so this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is go into YouTube Studio, and you want to select the Customization button on the left side. And then on the right side, you want to select the Home tab. Scroll down. Underneath Featured Channels, go ahead and select the three-dotted icon here, and then select where it says Edit Section Contents. And you go ahead and search versus any channel on YouTube. Go ahead and search for that channel in here. And then once you're done, you just would go ahead and select the Done button. So go ahead and locate it from this list. And then you want to select Done. And then you would select Publish to save it. You can also change the position on the page as well, depending on how you want to display it. And if we went to our channel page, you would see it on our channel page. If we scroll down, it would be listed right here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.